Welcome to the Fanily!
Hi, I'm Kai, and today we're unboxing 4 RWBY Mini Figures. We got these from GameStop, and they were only $1. For those of you who don't know RWBY, you're just missing out there. So now let's get these open. Who is in RWBY Chibis? We have a white Fang soldier. Whoop! We got Blake. We have Neptune. This little Neptune. Evil, evil, evil. We got Cinder. We got 3 white Fang members and 1 Team RWBY member. And you can remember RWBY. She is Blake, and Blake is Black from Team RWBY. Red, white, black, yellow. Minions, protect me now. Ah, I have such big heads. Whatever you say, boss. Ah. So we meet again, Blake. I don't care. Ow. Hey, family members, I'm Blake. And do you remember who was opened first? Was it me, Cinder, Neptune, or the Fang Soldier? Leave your answer in the comments, and I'll see you next time, family members. Bye!
If you had fun watching today's video, don't forget to subscribe so that you can see more, and let us know in the comments what other toy videos you might want to see in the future. Also, don't forget to check out our other channel, The Fangirl, where we talk about all kinds of movies, TV shows, and even books and comics. But viewer discretion is advised. See you next time, family members!